Minnie McCulley, Jahajufkado, Mvskoke, Stijadi does. What? Stiheki dos jackets, hoironga. Man, just go to Alice Bullet door. Man, chico piece it, fold it, hang it in hangos leg it on. See my piece yet. The lover sayet, then I the yachts not sayet on. Hang it, fit the he's a yacht. Just it's like Adin he's a young smaget. He owe dash dog it jo gordon a yard long smagen. In Bonaya, I said, Mother, just it's like a lower the west. Kangaroo door smagen. We lit the one grandma. But Tadam, ma, Uncle Bunny. Mo hits the one kangaroo, I thought. What? So get the one. What? Heathen. Stijadi bonaya what? Jahorsi door sometime. Dustin. Railroad tracks my him man. To go up lay on. Man Jahitski don. Doctor led my her jufka don my doctor. What? Mama dog got man semen man jihud man hitski don chismagen. So he unlaked away Dustin Spagogi. What? Piragoji Ote Austin. And Mama Jatski and Jatski. Ote Godo Songa Gitwak. What? Bunny Lus. Mat Hangosi Duanga. Madegos a husky. What Mosongi Duank. All the Amalgat Lusses that. Bidagi degos at a bogido. He did that. Was it go? Sicilius degos lectui. Oh, no. Madegos dusko in. Hello, my name is Minnie McCulley. I was born here in Dustin, Oklahoma, across the railroad tracks. What I was telling you a while ago was about my grandma. We used to go visit Grandma every day, almost every day and every night. She lived across the turnpike over there by Hannah. She lived by herself. Her name was Alice Bullet. One day, they moved her house up on the hill. Then one day she was looking out the window, the door. She said she seen this big old giant rat come jumping, humping by the house. And I told Grandma, I said, Grandma, I said, that's not no rat. I said, that's a kangaroo. She just started laughing, and my Uncle Bunny said he seen the kangaroo too. I don't know whose kangaroo it was, but you should have seen my grandma. She's a little short lady, and she just laughed, and she goes like this, come by jumping like that. And I said, oh, she was something else too. I was supposed to teach her how to drive. She said, we got open field out there, and she said, Minnie's going to teach me how to drive. So I never did get to. And my dad's name is Sonny, and my mama's name is Nanny. And they're both gone. We don't have anyone left except Sissy, and she's my Uncle Eldon's wife. She's the only one left out of the Lewis's, besides the younger ones, which are getting older. So, but And they used to say, they didn't think I knew how to talk Creek. And people would say, oh, they call me little white girl. And I'd turn around and say something to them. They go, oh, she's not white, she's Indian. And but we went to Sequoia. Oh, I can tell you this one. Sequoia, Mahaga Juga, Ahian, Mandagan, Sisportwank, What Simino and Creek Jabonagi. Dayoba Follen, Cherokee, dos Magaga. Not Maga, school so thin. Full of daggett. Oh, I don't know if I should tell you that. Oh, full of daggett and do you know for back the McCulley, McCulley, G12. So he's looking, oh, Stijari Dohwood in Creek. What? That was my Seminole Creek boys. I was at Sequoia High School, and they thought I was Cherokee because Cherokees are light. And they followed me to school. There was 4 of them. And I got to the door, and I told them, they said, she don't understand what we're saying. She's Cherokee. I turned around and told them, I said, I'm not Cherokee. I said, your underwears are green. And turned around and went in. And they started looking at each other and said, she's Creek. But I grew up like that. They called me little white girl. But Daddy said, I'd get mad at them. Daddy said, you behave now, don't you say nothing. So, but that's it. So, thank you. Mado.